Hey there, it's Jay-Z. Today we're going to look at a winter camping tent. At least that's what the customers are saying about it. Here in the title we've got a Hillman 3 to 4 season tent. It says that it can fit 2 to 3 people. It's also lightweight. Here's a great thing. It's under $75. Has a 4.2 star review out of 5. Very good out of all the ratings you have here. What are some people saying about it? Let's have a look. Well, here we've got a happy winter camper. Somebody here took this tent for a test drive, if you will. A low of 3 degrees in the Midwest after the 2019 Polar Vortex, and it didn't disappoint. So you can see the tent in action here. 5-star review from this customer, and then someone else here says it's a great winter tent. Just ordered a second one, haven't used it for the winter, but bought it for winter camping. So another 5-star review there. Again, under $75, looks like a winner according to these customers. If you do any winter camping or plan to, this looks like a product that could benefit you and has the 5-star review from these folks. Looks like a nice little purchase. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below. Happy camping!